Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really quick, and it's just a little AliExpress haul. So the first thing that I got the other day. The others I got all in one package. But guys, you have to see these. I posted them on Instagram, but they just didn't. Look at how adorable these are. These little gumball machine charms. I love them. And you get about, how many do I get in here? 10 maybe? Yeah, you get 10. I'll try and leave the links down below of what I got. So the great thing with Ali is you just don't know what you're getting because you ordered it so long ago. Like, you know what's coming, but then you just don't know when you're like, oh yeah, those. And actually, I went on my AliExpress orders not too long ago, and I had ordered something there that, oh, guys, these are cute. They all came in the same. Oh, I love this. I should have ordered more of these, and these are small. I should have ordered them bigger, and these I thought were bigger also. But look at how pretty they are. It's like a white iridescent and then like a clear iridescent. I'm gonna definitely go back and order up bigger ones. I don't know. Why do they go by millimeters or something? I don't know what I'm ordering when I do. I tend to go to the small side, but these are decent. These are about 1 centimeter, so they're not bad. Super cute. Oh, I love those. Let's see what we got in here. This feels a little heavier. Oh, yep. I ordered some more of the screw hooks, and I got these in different colors because I only had the like the bronze light color. And then let's see what's in here. It feels like my shishi beads. Ah, it is. Oh, and look at how pretty these are, guys. And these were like, I think it was like 60-something cents for the roll. And I went with spring, Easter colors. And yeah, it was free shipping. So it's like 60-something cents. They feel really rubbery. But the size, I think, is okay. Because again, I didn't know what size. And I have some already, which might be a little bit smaller than these. I'm not sure, but I love the colors. So that is my quick little AliExpress haul for you guys. Fun. All right, see you in the next one.